Hey, how's it going, everyone? Time for today's YouTube recap. So I'm going to go over what I posted not only here on StockTwits, but also on the community tab on YouTube, the creating of the daily plan before getting into today's price action. So creating daily plan, step one. As always, I start with my TPO charts. I understand they can look intimidating or confusing because, a whole bunch of letters over here. But they're really not. They're simple to learn, and once you do learn how to read them, it's simply you just look at it and you know exactly the information that you can and should derive from it, like exactly what I have here. What the current market auction is like, market participants' sentiment. Are we trading in or out of balance? Are we building balance? Do we have structure to clean? Are we cleaning structure currently? A whole bunch of things, right? And things that we're looking at are the shapes of let me get my pen. Shapes of this, which is called the market profile. We're looking at the bottoms, the tops, where the point of control is, value area high, value area low, a whole bunch of things, right? So from there, my step two always is going to the 4-hour footprint chart. Now, if you're unfamiliar with footprint charts, I have pinned to the home of the YouTube channel a simple video on how to read these charts. Footprint charts are very customizable, so my video, of course, explains how I have mine set up. But essentially, what you're looking at here is the transacted volume. So every day on the Discord server, I will send an annotated picture, as you can see here. That is going over what I am reading in the current order flow. So I'll post a screenshot, exactly this, and you see the past few days of price action here. And then the last step, step 3, I go to my daily footprint chart. So transacted volume over the past few days, and I send what I am reading there. From there, I create my daily plan, and I also post on the website for members a video of me going over each one of those screenshots that you just saw. Going over each of the things that I typed out there, and I go through the reasonings for each of these sell zones, buy zones, why it's cautious, why it's a normal one. Sometimes I have very cautious sell zones or buy zones, and members ask questions. Why aren't you looking here? Or can you explain this further or whatnot? And then I will, of course, in the videos. As well, I speak about in the room, but one of the ways we could manage our risk exposure in the markets is by not exposing our actual capital, but exposing a firm's capital. So, I've tested this firm out. I've never traded until now to test out this firm. Prop firms in futures. When I used to trade equities, I traded for a firm. But I tested this out. I passed the evaluation, and then I withdrew money with absolutely no problem. So if you would like, I'll leave in the description a link, and they have a sale going on right now. When you use the coupon code, you'll get 80% off evaluations. So I think it's like $33 right now, and you could get access to a $50,000 account if you pass the evaluation. Of course, they're not just going to give you a $50,000 account for fun. And that's it. So let's look at the intraday order flow. Of course, this is a 4-hour. Let's go and look at a 30-minute. So here on this 30-minute, we could obviously see the buy zone where, as of right now, we are a little bit over 10 points higher, but we have traveled just under 20 points, right? So pretty slow-ish price action for the first beginnings of the day. We had complete exhaustion over here, which reading the order flow could provide a long. Got a nice long there, and then at 12 noon, obviously market time, we've had Fed speakers, so that's why we see this volatility in this current 30-minute. Swift move down, exhaustion at the lows right into the buy zone, and again, 2 trade opportunities, one for just under 20 points and now a little bit over 10 points here. So if you see value in this type of approach, right, these levels, I suggest that you look at other YouTube videos or familiarize yourself with the StockTwits account. These levels work day in, day out, and learning how to read the order flow, learning for yourself how to create these levels to become an independent trader. If you find value and would like to learn this stuff for yourself, my website is in the description. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next market recap.